Wisdom is not loud. It does not argue. It does not rush to explain itself. True wisdom knows when to speak and when silence is the strongest answer. Many people think success comes from being noticed, from proving yourself again and again, but the truth is very different. Real growth happens quietly, and today's story is about understanding the power of silence, patience, and quiet intelligence. In a distant kingdom, there lived a respected minister. He was known for his calm nature and sharp mind. The king trusted him deeply and never made an important decision without seeking his advice. Whenever the kingdom faced trouble, it was the minister who found a solution. But respect often brings jealousy. Inside the royal court, many people smiled on the outside but burned with envy inside. They could not challenge the minister openly, so they waited for a chance to humiliate him. One day the king spoke in front of the entire court. He said, "You are a wise man, but your son seems quite foolish. I don't think he understands much." The minister was shocked. He asked calmly, "Your Majesty, what makes you believe that?" The king replied, "Every morning when I walk among the people, I ask your son the same question. I place a gold coin and a silver coin in front of him and ask which one is more valuable, and every day he chooses silver." The court burst into laughter. Some mocked, some whispered. The minister stood silent, feeling the weight of embarrassment, and walked away without a word. That evening at home, the minister asked his son gently, "Tell me honestly, which is more valuable, gold or silver?" The boy answered without hesitation, "Gold!" The minister paused. "Then why do you choose silver every single day and let people laugh at you?" The boy smiled calmly. He took his father by the hand and led him to his room. There he opened a small wooden box. Inside were dozens of silver coins neatly stacked. The minister stood frozen. The boy said softly, "Every day the king gives me a choice. If I choose gold once, he will realize I understand the truth. Then he will stop asking me, and the opportunity will end," he continued. "But if I choose silver, he keeps returning. One silver coin every day becomes far more valuable than one moment of pride." The boy looked at his father and said, "People laugh because they don't see the long path. They see only today. I am not collecting coins. I am collecting consistency, patience, and control." At that moment, the minister felt something change inside his heart. He realized that true intelligence does not need applause. It does not rush to correct others. It quietly builds a future while the world misunderstands. From that day on, whenever someone called his son foolish, the minister simply smiled and walked away, because he knew something others didn't. In life, you will meet two kinds of people: those who talk loudly but build nothing, and those who remain silent while creating everything. If you know your path is right, let people doubt you. Let them laugh. Let them misunderstand. Silence is not weakness. Sometimes silence is strategy, and patience is power. One day your results will speak louder than any explanation ever could. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs it. And remember, not every battle needs a reply. Sometimes the strongest voice is silence.